When your parrot tries to be dominant,
Baby boy. No.
this can happen. Literally
you
2
hurt
minutes
Mom?
later.
You see you hurt Mom? Ouch. So those of you who have African Greys, you know they can be affectionate, but yeah, you can also have some accidents. And like now he's acting like nothing happened.
He
And
now
he's on
seems
me, and
apologetic.
it doesn't phase in that, yeah, you know what? Maybe I wasn't such a good boy. Were you a good boy, Romeo?
Parrots love attention,
Hey?
and it takes time, persistence, and patience, and lots of affection.
What? Do you want to snuggle? I don't think you do. Do you? Gonna be a good boy? No. Gentle? Gentle? No. Gentle? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy,
I
Romeo.
still love my Romeo.